Welcome, today in front of me Sony Xperia Pro-I, and I'll show you how to mute ringtone volume on this device. So first you should go into the settings app and then tap here on the sound settings. Just here you will see the ring and notification volume panel. Just to mute the ringtone, you should swipe this blue dot to the left side with your finger. And also we got the second way how we can do that, just by using our volume buttons here on the right side of our device. So just press up or down volume button and then click here into the settings. Now just to mute ringtone, by the same way swipe this blue dot to the left side and click here to done. And that's it, that's how it looks. Thank you for watching, and if you found this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.